Hey YouTube, it's EverythingEpan here, and today we're going to be doing a video tutorial on how to install Windows Longhorn Build 4029 in VirtualBox. Now, this is part of the Milestone 5 builds. There's only two builds of this, which included 4015 and 4029. I would have done 4011 for the next video, but that one had an error come up with the setup, and I wasn't able to bypass it, so we're going to skip over to 4029 since I've already done a 4015 tutorial, and you can check that out in the Longhorn playlist if you would like. So we're going to go ahead and open VirtualBox here. All the links will be provided in the description for VirtualBox, WinRAR, and there will also be links for the ISO for Longhorn 4029, as well as you will need the MS-DOS 6.22 ISO. So we're going to create a new virtual machine and just call it Windows Longhorn Build 4029, and we're going to set the version as Windows XP 32-bit and click Next. Leave this at 192 megabytes of RAM, but I mean, if you want to bump it up just a little bit, maybe up to 512 megabytes, you can. So we're going to create a virtual hard drive here. My apologies for the cut. We're going to create new virtual hard drive, click Next, and then click Next one more time. And we're just going to leave this at the default of 10 gigabytes and click Create. Now what we need to do is hit Settings up at the top here, click Storage, and then we need to insert the MS-DOS 6.22 ISO and click OK. That will be a Google Drive link in the description down below to get this ISO if you do not yet have it, but you may have this from past tutorials. Excuse me. Nice little voice crack there. So if I don't minimize it, it's going to start up here into MS-DOS, and now what we need to do is change the BIOS state. So I'm going to post this on the screen here, but it could be in the description. If you guys cannot see this on the screen, just let me know. So we're going to type the word date and click enter, and it's going to show you the current date. And now we need to type in the BIOS date, which is 06-02-2003. Click enter, and to confirm that it is changed, type in date again, and it'll say Monday, June 2nd, 2003 as the date. Now what you can do is go ahead and insert the Longhorn 4029 ISO. If you browse in the directory, or I need to browse in my directory for it. There it is, right here. Click Open, and then after you insert it, go ahead and click Reset to reset the machine in order to load up into the installation. So it's going to, obviously it still says Windows XP pre-installation environment, but of course you get the Microsoft Longhorn boot up screen with the blue loading bar. And now once that comes up, it's going to load up into the setup here. See, it's got this blue theme. It'll say starting setup. One moment. And it'll say welcome to Windows Setup. This consists of a few easy steps. Go ahead and click continue. And now it's going to ask for the product key, so this will be included in the description with that ISO from WinRAR PC, so I'm going to enter this in quick. And after you have that entered in, go ahead and click yes right here to accept the terms of this agreement, and click continue. And now it's going to ask where you want to install it to. Go ahead and install it to this unallocated space. Click continue. Or actually, go ahead and select disk 0. Continue. And it's going to ask, actually you probably could format it as NTFS. Go ahead and click continue to select disk 0. Make sure to do that instead of unallocated space. Then click continue. It's going to ask what you want to name your computer. I'm just going to call it Longhorn 4029, and then go ahead and click continue, and it's going to go ahead and copy files over and start the installation of Longhorn 4029. So this process can take a little bit of time, just kind of depends on the specs of your computer in order to determine how long this will take. So it's going to copy files over and do some installation. So I'm going to let this go for a little while, and I'll be back with you guys once we hit a restart point or are finished with the first part. Alright, we're getting closer, it says. So your computer will restart in a moment to begin the next part of the setup. You can go ahead and click Finish on this, and then it will automatically restart the machine. And of course it's going to say press any key to boot from the CD, but do not do so. But I'm leaving it in just in case it needs to pull any more files over from it during this second part of the installation. So it's going to come up with that bootload from Microsoft Longhorn in the early stages with the blue loading bar. So now it's going to detect hardware, and it says this can take up to 10 minutes, but I highly doubt it will take that long, but it might actually. You never really know. I guess we'll find out. So just let this, I'm going to let this sit for a little while, and I will see you guys once we hit our next point. So it's going to reboot another time after doing that for so long. It's going to say press any key. Don't do that, and it's going to load again into the part here. So it says please wait, and I think it should log you in. We'll see if we have audio with this or not. So it's going to try and load up here. Just kind of depends. So now it says Longhorn Milestone 5 background here, and there we go. We are logged in with this blue theme that I had rocking with here in the Milestone 5 build. So of course it'll say Windows XP still for some of these things. They didn't quite change everything just yet, but you see this was kind of the layout in the Milestone 5 part. So there you go, guys. That's how to install Windows Longhorn Build 4029 in VirtualBox. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like on the video if you guys enjoyed. That would mean so much to me. If these tutorials have been helping out you guys, comment your ideas down below for future videos, ideas, and everything. It does not have to be just a VirtualBox tutorial. It could be anything you think. I've thought about starting vlogs, thought about doing stuff like that. So if you guys want me to start doing some vlogs, maybe occasionally to start off with, I highly doubt I'll ever do daily vlogs, but I don't know, that could be a thing someday. But if you guys want to see some occasional vlogs, please leave a comment down below if you would like to see those, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos and to be notified. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.